Welcome back to our IELTS vocabulary series, where we provide you with the essential tools to ace the IELTS exam. In today's video, we'll be focusing on an important linguistic element: prepositions. Understanding prepositions is crucial for achieving a high band score in the IELTS exam. So, let's delve into the world of prepositions and explore their significance. So, what exactly is a preposition? In simple terms, a preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. It helps provide additional information by indicating location, time, direction, or manner. To truly master the English language, you must develop a solid understanding of prepositions. Let's look at some commonly used prepositions. In, used when talking about being inside a place or within a certain period of time. For example, I live in London, or the meeting is in 30 minutes. On, used to indicate physical contact or to show a specific date or date. For example, I put my book on the table, or our anniversary is on the 5th of May. At, used to refer to a specific point or location. For example, I'm waiting at the bus stop, or the concert is at 7 p.m. From and to, used to denote movement or transportation. For example, I traveled from London to Paris. Now that we understand the basics, let's discuss why prepositions are important in the IELTS exam. Prepositions play a significant role in language expression, and their correct usage can elevate your writing and speaking skills. Using appropriate prepositions demonstrates your understanding of grammar and your ability to convey precise meaning, skills that the IELTS examiners are looking for. To improve your preposition skills, I encourage you to practice. Engage in daily activities that involve English, such as reading books, newspapers, or online articles. Pay attention to how prepositions are used in context. Additionally, utilize practice exercises and online resources to strengthen your understanding and usage of prepositions. Here are a few quick tips to remember. Context is key. Understand the context of the sentence to choose the correct preposition. Memorize preposition patterns. Some expressions are commonly used with specific prepositions. Memorize these patterns to improve your accuracy. Keep a preposition list. Create your own list of prepositions and examples to refer to when in doubt. Practice actively. Engage in conversations, discussions, or role plays that require preposition usage. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. And that concludes our video on the essentials of prepositions for IELTS vocabulary. By developing a strong grasp of prepositions and their usage, you'll enhance your language skills and be better prepared for the IELTS exam. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable IELTS tips and resources. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your language learning journey.